Hey there and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to pause Shopify store. So let's get started. This is a quick guide step, so don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Let's get started. So first of all, you have to head over to your Shopify dashboard, this page. As you can see, I'm already on my Shopify dashboard. You have to head over to this page, and from there you can see this option called plan, store plan. Tap onto plan, and after clicking onto plan, like tap on settings here, and you will find the option. Also you can tap on the online store because mostly the option is there. Tap onto it and you will find this option called plan. Tap onto plan, and from there here you can see that basic, Shopify, advanced and plus options, but we are deactivating accounts, so we don't need this. Here you can see this option called deactivate store. After clicking on plans, deactivate store, you have to tap onto this deactivate store and tap onto switch to pause and build. So you have to tap onto it and confirm all the information it is asking you, like and enter the infos like why do you want to pause and etc. And that's it. Now you can deactivate your Shopify store. So if this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.